Dear students, here in this chapter we also learn about the organized sector and unorganized sector. So here I prepare a difference between organized sector and unorganized sector so that you easily understand about these two sectors. So when we talking about the organized sector, the organized sector has terms of employment are regular. Here the employment is regular in organized sector, and in comparison in unorganized sector employment is not secure or regular. Okay. So the second point is, in the organized sector, the organized sectors, all the institutions, all the factories, industries, all the work registered by the government. And in unorganized sectors there are small and scattered units which are largely outside the control of the government. Here the government has very important role, but in unorganized sectors the government has not very much control on the unorganized sector. So the third difference is that in organized sector there are follows various or different type of rules and regulations, and when we talking about the unorganized sector there are rules and regulations, but these are not followed very essentially in the unorganized sector. So these are some difference between organized sector and unorganized sector. So in this chapter we also has a topic that is disguised unemployment, because unemployed topic is very important in the economy of India. So disguised unemployment means more people engaged in than the people required for work. When people are working in any activity, for example we taking the example in agriculture sector. So in agriculture mostly the family members are whole the family members are working in the field, but sometimes the people are more engaged in that activity than they required for the work. So that type of unemployment is called disguised unemployment. And Indian government has many initiative to reduce these type of unemployment. So NREGA, maybe you listen about the NREGA, that comes in 2005, and that is called National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, that comes in 2005, NREGA. So some provisions are there in the NREGA that comes in 2005. That first one is 100 days work in a year provided by the government to the people of rural people. Okay. So second one is, if work not provided by the government, then the government provided allowances to the people if they not getting the 100 days work. And the last one is the work, most important, that is work, types of work given to improve production of land. So people done different activities in NREGA. Under NREGA activities, mostly activities are related with the production of land. So these are some provisions made under the NREGA 2005.